Welcome to TechPacks, your partner in advanced research and development. In this video, we will be presenting the details about one of the most demanding research projects, titled LSTM Learning and Linear Regression Model for Precisonable Stock Prediction. This research project can be extended further to publish a research paper in a reputed journal or used for your PhD or MTech thesis. So, if you are a researcher, PhD, or MTech research scholar working on a similar research project and need expert guidance to handle the complexities of research in this field, you're in the right place. Watch this video till the end to gain valuable insights into the project's objectives, methodology, and results. We'll also provide a demo of the code in action, showcasing its key features and functionalities. So, let's begin. Our professional researcher will now take the lead and guide you through the details. Here we go.
Hello friends, welcome to TechPacks Research and Innovation Services. Today I am here to present you one of the research area that we are covering using artificial intelligence. So this is for the stock market prediction. Here we are going to present you one of the application that we have designed by using the different stock data to predict the future stocks. Before starting this video, let's talk about that what we will cover into this video. In this video, initially we will discuss about the application areas where this prediction models can be useful, the code that we have designed, how to execute that, what are the software requirements and the library requirements for it. Along with that, we will discuss that what current systems are doing and what we have developed in this particular application. Finally, what are the experimental outcomes, and we will give an overview to it. So let's start with the video. For the application area, the stock prediction is useful in many of the domains. As you can see, I just served the Google. So here you can see the stock market prediction, where the stocks can be predicted in order to get the financial growth, for the trading, for the currency and the forex tradings, for the market analysis even, whether the market is going to down or up, whether we have to invest or not, for the financial investment, and obviously for the financial growth, in order to understand that how the stocks of a particular company or industry will rise or get dropped. So let's start with the code that we do have, how to execute it. So we are going to give you one of the folder in which there is a code folder, and you just need to go here. Here we have used the dataset for the Google company and for the Tesla. You can get it online directly. You can just search here Google stock data. So there are a number of options from where you can get the data. I suggest to go for the Kaggle. So we have taken that data from the Kaggle. So here is the Google stock data. Along with that, let's take for the Tesla stock data Kaggle. So here the Kaggle stock data. There are a number of links from where you can get the data, and even you can go to their official website. This is the easiest way from where you get the data. So this is the Google stock data that we have used. It is a CSV file, and all the information related to the data set is also given. Similarly, for the Tesla stock data, we have the CSV file with us, in which the number of at the different time intervals the stocks and the other related factors has been given. So let's see that what exactly the data is. This is for the Google training data. So this is that what date exactly it was, when it was opened, what was the stock, what was the higher and lower, how it closed, and how much volume is there. So similarly, the Tesla data is with us. So to run this code, you just need to have the Python installed in your system. The Python that we are using is basically 3.10. So you can get it from Python download, you can write, and here the Python you can get. My system is having 3.10, and you can use the upper version also. It must be installed with you. Along with that, a ID must be there. So the ID that we are using is Visual Studio. You just need to open the code in the Visual Studio, as I have already opened. Here you can see, make sure the folder should be here where the database files will be with you. So here I have wrote the code in the cells, basically because I was also writing it in the Jupyter, or you can also use the Google Colab. Here specifically we are using the Visual Studio Code. Make sure to install these packages, that is Panda, NumPy, Matplotlib, Chart Studio for the plotting. It is not mandatory to go with the plotting with these ones. If you want to run R code particularly, then you definitely need this. Along with that, the stock Google stock data prediction, it is having the same Keras model, Keras TensorFlow. This should be sklearn, that should be installed in your system. So now let's move that what exactly we have done and what currently the systems are doing. Basically the people are doing that, they are directly taking the data and giving it to the machine learning algorithms, because most of the data is in the numerical form and machine learning is performing well. So in this application, what we are doing, we are doing the experiment by predicting the outcomes using the deep learning architecture, because mostly the deep learning is used in the terms of images only. But let's see that how it works with the financial data, that is numerical form. So here, along with that, we are also doing it with the regression model. So the model that we have used for the regression is the linear regression model. So for the Google stock prediction, we are using the deep learning RNN model, that is LSTM. And for the Tesla stock market prediction, we are using the linear regression. So let's run the stock Tesla stock one. So here what we have done, we have read the data after importing all the libraries. This is the data set, as I already show you with the Google one. The information you can get with it, date and time, because for the prediction, for the regression, you must have the date intervals along with the data that you need to predict. So we have formatted the data, pre-processed the data, and information has been represented in the terms of the graphical one. So here you can see this is the data variation that we have shown in the time of the box. Then graphical representation is there. As you can see, when I will run it, we will definitely see what exactly the result is. So data is splitted, and then further the regression has been done by splitting the data into training and testing. Feature has been extended by the standard scalar one, and linear regression is being used. After training, we have got the results and all are presented. And finally, the parameters that we have calculated for the regression is basically MSC and R square for training as well as for that testing evaluation. In the Google stock market, what we have done, before discussing that, let's run all the modules here. You can see when the code is running, this is showing you the results whatever is calculated. So let's start from starting. Here the graph that I have already shown. After that, where the data was splitted, it is showing that what exactly the data was. Here it is, this was the initial graph that we got. This blue line is the actual data, and this red line is the predicted outcome from the system. So this is after the linear regression, that it is saying that what exactly the trend is there for the stocks, and what will be the future prediction. Accordingly, the rise of the line is there, because the linear regression, you can use the different regression models also for it, right? And finally MSC, let's see what MSC and other factors we have calculated. For training purpose, it was 80.86, means 86%, and it is also 86 for the test one. There is a bit minor variation. MSC is less in the test one. So now let's see what if we will do with the deep learning models. So when I have already run this code. So you can see initially the data is visualized, and then the model has been processed by applying the features, making the training data by applying the transformation, and then the data is splitted, and that splitted data is further, this here is the model is created, that is a sequential model, RNN model, with the LSTM layers into it. So once the network is trained, you can get, this is the graph of loss during the training. As you can see, as the iterations are increasing, the loss curve is going down. So now we are going to test the data, because we do have the train as well as the test data. So when we are doing the testing part, the predicted outcomes has been shown here, and this is the graph that what exactly the result was there. This is the actual test outcomes, and this green is the predicted one. So you can see there is a very minor variation among this, but the trend is very much pretty similar, which can help you that whether the market is going to up or down. So further modifications are still possible, because this is just to evaluate that whether the deep learning can help in the predicting the future outcomes or not. You can contact us for the future modifications and to get this particular code from us. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. For more information about this research project and to get our consultancy services, click the link in the description below. At TechPacks, we offer comprehensive support for researchers, PhD, and MTech students in the fields of engineering and ICT. Our services include selection of research topic, helping you choose the right topic tailored to your interests and the latest trends. Synopsis preparation, crafting a clear and concise synopsis with well-defined objectives. Coding assistance, providing expert help with writing and optimizing code in various tools and platforms. Research paper writing, assisting in drafting and editing research papers to meet the highest academic standards. Dissertation writing, offering complete support for your dissertation, ensuring consistency and quality. Plagiarism check and removal, ensuring your work is original and free from plagiarism with advanced detection tools. We also offer customization services to meet your specific project needs. Whether you require a modification of an existing project or a completely new application, our team of experts is here to help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on cutting-edge research projects and expert advice. Thank you for choosing TechPacks. We look forward to collaborating with you on your research journey.